Welcome back to the channel, automotive enthusiasts. If you are tired of spending a fortune at the local car wash and want professional detailing results right in your own driveway, you have found the perfect video. Today, we're breaking down the best power washer for cars to help you blast away stubborn dirt, road grime, and brake dust without damaging your vehicle's clear coat. Let's dive right in and find your ultimate driveway detailing companion.
Product number 1 is the Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer. Starting off our list is the Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer, an absolute powerhouse designed for those who demand maximum cleaning efficiency. This unit delivers an impressive output, effortlessly stripping away baked-on mud and heavy road salt from your car's undercarriage and wheels. What makes the EPX 3500 truly remarkable is its anti-tipping low center of gravity design combined with 4 quick-lock steering wheels. You can comfortably pull it around your vehicle with zero frustration about the unit falling over and interrupting your workflow. It comes equipped with a professional-grade steel wand, 4 quick-connect nozzles, and a built-in soap tank that is perfect for layering your favorite snow foam over your paintwork. The high-flex hose prevents annoying kinks while you navigate around tight garage spaces. If you want a heavy-duty, highly maneuverable machine that brings commercial-level auto detailing right to your home, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 is an exceptional choice.
Product number 2. Westinghouse EPX 3100V Electric Pressure Washer. Next up is the Westinghouse EPX 3100V, a remarkably compact and highly portable solution perfect for quick weekend car washes. This handheld electric pressure washer completely redefines convenience by stripping away bulky wheels and large frames, offering an ultra-lightweight design weighing just under 15 pounds. Despite its small footprint, it packs a serious punch, delivering more than enough targeted pressure to safely rinse delicate par paint while still blasting thick brake dust off your rims. The EPX 3100V features an integrated pump system and a highly convenient top carrying handle, allowing you to easily carry it with one hand as you walk around your vehicle. It includes a specialized soap applicator attachment, making it incredibly easy to suds up your exterior panels before scrubbing. For car owners living in apartments or those with limited garage storage space who still demand a spotless shine, this highly portable powerhouse is absolutely ideal.
Product number 3. Westinghouse EPX 3050 Electric Pressure Washer. Coming in at number 3 is the Westinghouse EPX 3050 Electric Pressure Washer, offering a brilliant balance between advanced mobility and robust cleaning power. This model utilizes an innovative 4-wheel 360-degree steering system that allows the unit to glide behind you effortlessly as you move around your car, truck, or SUV. You will never have to aggressively tug the hose to reposition the machine. It provides a consistent, high-pressure water stream that easily tackles everything from dirty floor mats to bug-splattered front bumpers. The EPX 3050 is built with a pro-style spray gun and an onboard detergent tank, streamlining your car washing process by eliminating the need for external soap buckets. Its ultra-compact design stores away neatly on any garage shelf. If smooth maneuverability and a frustration-free detailing experience are your top priorities, this nimble 4-wheel model will completely transform your weekend car care routine.
Product number 4. Craftsman Electric Pressure Washer. Our fourth contender is the Craftsman Electric Pressure Washer, an incredibly reliable and durable option from a brand synonymous with quality garage tools. This cold water pressure washer is engineered specifically for residential use, providing the perfect pressure threshold to clean automotive surfaces effectively without risking damage to your weather stripping or clear coat. It features a robust kink-resistant hose and a comfortable ergonomic spray gun designed to reduce hand fatigue during longer wash sessions. The Craftsman shines with its onboard storage solutions, keeping your nozzles, wand, and power cord perfectly organized and tangle-free. Additionally, it features a dedicated soap tank that seamlessly mixes your preferred car wash shampoo with the water stream for a thick, clinging lather. Backed by excellent build quality and straightforward operation, this machine is a dependable, no-nonsense investment for any car owner looking for consistent, high-quality washing performance.
Product number 5. Greenworks 2100 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. Rounding out our top 5 is the Greenworks 2100 PSI Compact Electric Pressure Washer. Powered by a highly efficient 13-amp motor, this SGS-certified machine delivers an incredibly smooth and quiet operation compared to traditional gas models. Delivering up to 1.2 gallons per minute, it provides a highly focused, water-efficient spray that easily lifts stubborn road grime from your vehicle's lower panels. The Greenworks features a sturdy, upright design with rugged wheels, making it a breeze to roll down your driveway. It comes with multiple quick connect tips, including a dedicated soap nozzle, ensuring you have the exact spray pattern needed for gentle paint rinsing or aggressive tire cleaning. The extra-long power cord with a built-in GFCI ensures maximum safety when working around water. Delivering eco-friendly, fade-free power in a highly accessible package, the Greenworks washer is a fantastic, versatile tool for maintaining your vehicle's showroom shine.
You should absolutely buy one of these machines if you are passionate about keeping your car looking immaculate and want to avoid the micro scratches often caused by automated drive-through car washes. Check the links in the description below to grab the best current pricing on all these models.